Welcome back to another deal video here at Harbor Freight. I am going to be showing you that they recently just came out with the Black Friday sale extended now. So this is Monday, December 2nd. So they are extending the Black Friday sale for 1 week. You do have to have these coupons for it, and you can get all the same items that you had available during Black Friday week last week. If you happen to miss out or if you regretted not getting anything, this would be the time to pick it up. You will need the coupons to be able to get them. I'll go over some of the deals that you should be going for if you didn't already, and then I'll put a link up above in the cards to my other Black Friday videos I did here at Harbor Freight. That way you can check it out and see more availability. But I'm starting off with the Daytona jacks that you're able to save up to 30% off on all of them. And this is in store only for the jacks. So 30% off is a great deal to get them. So they do have quite a variety of different ones, whether it's the low profile, long reach ones, the regular 3-ton one, which is the one that I have. It's been great. So good deals on these. In my other video, I also put up the sale prices on them as well. And so be sure to check that out if you haven't already. So they do have even the Daytona aluminum jacks, 1.5 ton, 2-ton, as well as a 1.5 ton high performance racing jack. That one's normally priced at $229, so you'd save 30% off of that. Good deals on the Daytona, so be sure to check it out this week if you haven't already. All right, the next category you should be going for is the Icon ratchets. It is 40% off on all Icon ratchets. So again, you have until December 7th for these coupons. So this is what's left in this store. They still have a good variety of them. But as you can see over here in the G2 section, they've been cleaned out. They have a few of them that are out of stock. So maybe if they're out of stock at your store, maybe check again, see if they happen to get any in. So they do have some available left for this week, at least at this store. Excellent deal and great time to pick up an Icon ratchet. I did pick up a couple of the G2s, the 1/4 inch and 3/8 the locking flex ratchet, which they're out of stock here. I also picked up a 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive of the swivel head one as well. And you might have seen my other videos, I did pick up some 3/8 gold ratchets as well. So you have to stay tuned to see what I'm going to be doing with those if I reach my goal of getting to 30,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So help me get to there, and be sure to subscribe for these deal videos that I do. And if I reach the goal of 30,000 subscribers, then I'll show you what I'm going to do with the 5 gold ratchets that I got. And since you guys helped me get to my goal last month of 20,000 subscribers and met that goal within the first 2 weeks of November, I'm offering another $100 gift card giveaway for this month of December. And all you have to do is simply leave a comment below and I'll get you entered to win. I'll do the drawing on January 1st. And congratulations to the winner of November's gift card. That was Express Nacho was the winner. He selected a Harbor Freight $100 gift card, and he's looking forward to using it on some Pittsburgh sockets. While there's currently a deal on the lug nut sockets, he's going to capture that deal being an ITC member. It's a few days left. So congratulations again to Express Nachos, and be sure to leave a comment so you're entered for the new gift card for this month. And the other deal to consider picking up if you haven't already is on the Hardy gloves, whether it's the disposable ones or even the work gloves. All Hardy gloves, you're able to save 40% off on them. It's a great time to pick some up, and definitely a great deal. I know many of you do stock up on Hardy gloves to be able to have at least a year's supply of them until I run a sale like this again in the future. So definitely a good time to pick some up. The ones that I got last time during this sale, these are the ones that I picked up, the Hardy impact resistant work gloves. They have nice padding on the knuckles, and they are reinforced wear points as well as touchscreen compatible. So I look forward to using them. They are priced at $15, so you save 40% on those. And another deal you should consider picking up is on one of the Apache cases. They do have them in different sizes and shapes. So they have like the medium size box, which is the 2800 series, the large box, which is 3800 series. Then they have the extra large case, which is a 4800 series. So definitely a good time to pick up some Apache cases. These are great cases to have on hand. I use them for my drones and other items such as the Freedom Seed dispensers. They are great for that. And they also have even the rifle cases as well. So this is what this store has left in stock after the Black Friday week. So maybe your store still has a good selection of them. If you're in the market for a generator, this would be the time to pick one up if you didn't already during this Black Friday sale. So for example, they had this Predator 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator. It is normally priced at $7.99, and with the coupon you're able to get it for 600 bucks. That is saving 25% on that. It's an excellent deal on that generator. It is rated at 3,000 running watts and 11-hour run time, and it's only 58 decibels. It does have easy electric start as well, and these are the plugs that it comes with. This is a gasoline only one, but if you need something a little bit more powerful, they do have the 5,000 watt dual fuel generator, so it's great to be able to have the option of either using gas or propane with it. It does also have electric start as well, and a push button start, and a remote as well, so you can control it from indoors and start it up or stop it. This is rated at 5,000 max starting watts and 39 running watts for gas and 3,600 watts for propane. That is normally priced at $1,099, so 1,100 bucks for that. And it's an awesome deal to be able to save 29% on it. So it's only be 780 bucks. I haven't seen it be any cheaper than that. So 29% off is an awesome deal. And if you need something even larger than the 5,000, they have the 9,500 watt super quiet inverter generator. Based on the coupon, they do say it's normally priced at 2,300 bucks, but you're gonna be able to save $550 on that. So that's gonna be 24% off. So the price is 1,750 bucks. But just so you know, the tag on the store here is priced at $2,000. So I wonder if they have different pricing or not, but regardless, the 1,750 bucks for this size generator is a great pickup, awesome deal. Another good option to consider is on this Predator 100 watt foldable solar panel. It is nice and rigid, comes with nice built-in handles to it, makes it nice and easy to transport, especially with it folding up like that. They do have that normally priced at 130 bucks, but you're gonna be able to save $30 on that, which is 23% off. So it's only $100. It's a great deal for a solar panel like this. And if you're looking to get a new welder that missed out during this last week, it's a good time to get this one. It's a titanium unlimited 140. It is 120 volt input. It has a LED readout to it as well, and it's good for all metal systems. It is normally priced at 600 bucks, but you're gonna be able to save 42% on that. That's $250 off, so it's only 350 bucks. That's an awesome deal on that. You won't see it cheaper than that. That's an awesome deal to get 42% off on it. And if you need something that's more powerful, they do have the Vulcan OmniPro 220 welder. So it's a dual input, one 120 volt or 240 volt. It does have a 4.3 inch digital display. And this one's normally priced at 1,100 bucks, but you're able to save 20% off. So it's only be 880 bucks. And another good deal to consider is on the 18 pack of the AAA or AA batteries. They're normally priced at $9 for those, but you'll be able to save 44% on them. So they're only going to be $5. Now, yes, we have seen them cheaper in the past, like during a parking lot sale or whenever it was earlier this year, saving 50%. But if you missed out on that time and still need some batteries, it's definitely worth saving 44% on them. So great pickup on those. And here's a flashlight option. It's the Braun 250 lumen portable folding LED work light. It does have a light on the top in addition to the one that's in the front. It's normally priced at $8. It does have a range of up to 80 feet and runtime of up to 60 hours. It does run on 3 AA batteries, which are included, but the normal price is $8 on that. You're gonna be able to save 37% on it, so it's only $5. Pretty good deal. And another good pickup would be on this 2-inch Predator semi-trash gas engine pump. So it does have a 2-inch inlet and outlet to be able to either drain a pool or a lake, use it for watering or help. There's many great uses for these types of pumps, whether you're gonna need to water a field or use it for even fire suppression or to drain a pool and clean a pool out. This one is normally priced at 290 bucks with a 2-inch one, but they have the coupon for the Black Friday time is 21% off, so saving 60 bucks is only $230. It's a great deal on that. And if you need some cutoff wheels for your grinder, they have the Bauer ones that are 4.5 inch size and 7/8 arbor. They have that normally priced for the 10 pack at $8, but you'll be able to save 50% on that, so it's only gonna be $4. It's a great deal on those. And another good deal to consider is on the Icon 4-piece Pro Precision pick and hook set. They're out of stock at this store, but maybe your store still might have some. You're gonna be able to save 50% on that. This is one of the items that I picked up last week during the Black Friday sale. So it's only 10 bucks. It's a great deal on these, and they do come with a lifetime warranty. So maybe check your store, see if they happen to have any stock. All right, that's going to be it for this video for the extended Black Friday sale. If you gained any value from it, I would appreciate you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.